Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set up computer for remote access. Setting up your PC gives you a new experience of controlling it remotely using your phone or other devices through an internet connection with just an ID and password, anytime, anywhere. And here's how to set up your computer for remote access using TeamViewer, one of the easiest and most reliable app. First is to open your PC browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Then go to the TeamViewer website. Click the download and choose the version for Windows or Mac. Run the TeamViewer installer once the download finishes in the pop-up menu, then follow the prompts to install it. Wait while TeamViewer installs on your computer. Agree to the license and click Accept and Continue. Once installed, open TeamViewer and make sure you have created an account for TeamViewer. In the main window, go to the remote support. Note your ID and password. This is what remote users need. On your phone or other computer, install the TeamViewer app from Google App or App Store. Then open the TeamViewer app and make sure you are signed into your account. Then go to Connect section and enter your ID from your PC by tapping Search and enter your ID. Tap Connect or Remote Control. Enter the password shown on your PC and hit OK. Once connected, you can control your computer remotely through your phone or any other device. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.